no, can give ambushes and disrupt plays. And sa second band, yes, the Matilda with his circling eagle and yeah, guiding wind. Gabi ka sa nakatag og ganking capabilities and disengagement.
They banned Lucas here and also Daflorin, which are the prominent heroes na, but we'll see if kuhaon ba nila itong mga Kimi, Glue, unsa pa kulang?
So now sa to ang last bands, that is the Lucas, which is very strong sa to ang current meta, and Florin knowing if na flash of Oasis bitaw ni si Florin once multimate siya kay mo effect pod ang Oasis globally.
Yes, mo effect ang Oasis global, and also that sa atong Flash of Oasis maka-reduce siya og mga skills cooldown sa atong mga heroes. But look at that, Queen here shows Kalea and also Honey sa atong Irithel bot. Isagutan sila Bumushi sa iyang Kagura, but can we see a Valentina here?
Kami Valentina knowing nice care performance ginapikita ni Mamushi with his Kagura with us yin yang overturn no gina assassinate lang yung permi ang mga marksman yesterday.
Yeah.
But with this pick sa ato ang CBA, the Kalea and Irithel, di na sila basta-basta pa-pick off.
Countera na sila Digi. And look at Shazumi. Lock na nila Digi. Diri pang counter para sa atong Tsunami Slam.
Tsunami Slam knowing once magud mo sulod si Kalea no, wala na siya innate skill para pod makatakas.
Grabe.
Right now.
We'll see. Uy, Kimi. Will this be Kimi mid na po Japon or jungle?
Let's see no, kas knowing pod nga kita putag Kalea core kagahapon, so wa puta kabalo unsaon nila pag-flex ang ilang light ups, and right now sa to ang second phase sa atong banning.
Grabe nang atong mga both Mighty Teachers and Golden Eagles. So now, bana po rin sila Brody dire.
Very classic pick man gud si Brody, a safe pick knowing nga murag balance heroes, balance bitaw ni siya nga pagka-hero na siya, damage, mobility, burst, yeah.
Naa siya tanan and having those kind of more corrosion abyss without to yung passive. At if makakuha kag upat ka stack ana, you can easily use your turn apart memory and turn apart your enemy's life, and because of that, iba na siya. And also this Benedetta, more ginaba nila. Is this a respect ban ba?
And right now they pick X-Board knowing alisod po ka na ikang pitaw si X-Board knowing na siya duwa ka HP bar with his shield. And for the last composition sa ato ang Mighty Teachers, ilak ba nila ang Hayabusa by Gordelax and Stewiff. They still lack jungle and marksman. And na-lock na ang 1-1 knowing
Nag 1-1 is still away! The game ender! The savior! 1-1 is still away!
Gabi bito kayo ni si Stewie yesterday with his playmake. Dili na. And right now for the last picks atong Golden Eagles, which has the yellow logo. Mukha po bis lag yellow nga hero. No, the Bane.
Grabe, ang ilang pakita na nila diri pre. As now Stewie just got her 1-1. As ato nakita kahapon, murag mo ay nakapadaog kontra dito sa ato ang mga College of Arts and Science Griffins.
Yes, and no sa ato ang lineups no, very strong. Ginambit ako sa lineup sa ato ang CBA knowing na sila Irithel and Kalea, knowing they are fit, they are S tier sa ato ang meta sa ato ang current patch.
And although sa imo nakita nga draft dito bitaw, which side are you on based on the heroes that they pick?
And right now, let's see yung saan nila pag-discard. Kani si Hayabusa no kay knowing dali maguni siya makuha with the Tsunami Slam.
Dali siya kuhaon, pero also I think Stewie ilang gina-babysit diri knowing the fact nga bisag maiga bitaw kag Tsunami Slam diri, but you have the seconds to cancel out as we will proceed sa atong Land of Dawn in this game number 1.
Game number 1. Knowing nice character performance nga ginapakita ni Stewie yesterday, no, maybe ang plano bitaw sa ato ang Golden CBA is i-shutdown ni si Stewie.
Oh, look at that sa ato ang middle lane. Lucille just giving some stars, and Queen is
no?
playing aggressively here. That's what I like bitaw ng mga women's nga MLBB bitaw. Kaya look at that. In the early stages, level 1 basumbagay dahil Shazumi versus Skynard Stewie here. It's just aggressiving Honey.
Makita ko na to ang strength sa CC with comes to laning phase. So knowing nga iya pong skills is for 1v1.
Makita ka outside difference ano mga male o female magdula.
And now makita tag-invade here sa ato ang jungle, sa atong bottom.
Oh!
But Retribution.
Oh!
by
Nagamit ang
Well,
tayo sa
knock
Stayway.
out
A Stayway will just
Second skill,
go
funny.
down. And Revital was used. And also
Revital.
Flicker was also broke. As now, napatay na po dito si atong coach dito na si Blurry. But Blurry will go down as well. At look at that Kagura's pile. Super sakit.
Muna akong ingon kanina nung ganahan ko na sila i-shutdown ni si Stewie. But she's saved by Lucelle with the Revitalize. Dili successful ang ato ang CBA dito.
Oh! Makita na dito. But Queen here is very low. Labag kainit. Early pa ganito.
Hapit na tagaan si Queen dito. No? Kay kanipot si Queen mo, dili siya mahadlock mo, pugpug sa kalaban. Knowing na mo
Oh.
healing capabilities.
Super sakit ang Yuyu Bliss si Shuzumi dire. A Sorsogon here. Kay wala na siya Firaga armor. And now look at Deadly Catch.
Shark.
Was used in his early stage sa atong game. But locks kinibalik para marapag-provoke sila nga musukol.
And right now, nispawn na ito ang turtle here sa ato ang top area. Ato ang mga kung anong heroes so just securing their level 4.
Oh, but Turtle here has respawned na as Lucelle get his boots. Nakapunta na dire. But look at that shadow kill! As rebounding to Turtle! As still, that's also counted a kill. As Torso Queen here, which has low HP na. As look at Annie here, kaya wala pa sa atong Turtle, while Goldilocks is just securing this Turtle. Pero wala lang sila ipakita. But still, nakuha ni Annie with a Deadly Catch and Retribution. But yun yung overturn was used, and thus a kill. A Turtle for alive here. And it's a 3-0 in favor of our mighty teachers.
So with after all those clashes, nag 1v1 po si Hana and Stewie here pero walay namatay nila. Ato bitong seated do ato ang mighty teachers nakawatan sila og turtle by CBA pero dili sila basta masugot nga imo lang kuaon na basta na patay nila si Andy to with his Bane.
And because of that kind of clashes, natay mga fragments of items nga nakita diri, especially here sa atong Hayabusa. He has this, what you call this, not siya, what you call this, penetration man look at this kind of flash na. But look at that Tsunami Slam! Gusto gamit na shadow kill diri pero napakasila. Yun yung overturn. Kaya nakuha si Queen. As Queen will survive. But gusto siya tapukan ni Stewie. But Stewie again, he's just poking them out.
Listen bitaw kayo ni Naidigi pick no kay sige na gani siya panglabay ustar mangmaat pagod siya. Your flicker will be kuano kanang mga masayang if you naabatan kanya mo flicker out lang ka as you will be mabat nga balik sa imo ang place.
Grabe no, naatay 800 nga gold lead in favor of our Ted mighty teachers.
And ato ang no 3-0 man di ato ang standing here in favor sa ato ang seated mighty teachers. It's ato ang mga marksman who na-secure na nilang first core item, ang corrosion sight and the wind talker.
Grabe na nila diha. As you can see, Sorsogon is just throwing those flamethrowers out as On is just getting his items lang. Pero look at them. Turtle has respawned in within 15 seconds pa.
You have 15 seconds and right now ato ang mga heroes here murag ginakuha na nila ang mga position para mas na advantage sa pagkuha sa ato ang objective.
Oh, but look at the Little Wonder here is in favor of our CBA Golden Eagles as now they are now starting sa ato ang Turtle and we'll see kung saan magawa nila. But look at the Deadly Catch! But still, nakuha na po din ay Sorsogon. Another time journey, gamit naman with the Shadow Kill again. And that's the kill! Patay na si Queen! And where are you going, Sorsogon? You will just go back as Suzumi is init na init. And that's a 2-by-none.
So Bainan, gamit kayo ang revitalized og times journey when it comes to clashes no as it can assist his kauban para mo sustain sa ato ang clashes.
Ang nabantayan bitaw na ako dire sa ato ang teams is that if na Turtle fights, maginahatag lang sa ato ang mga mighty teachers ang Turtle and still ilang kuwaon ang left day dire sa ato ang mga Golden Eagles.
Kay mag-clash man good if makalupad bitaw ni si Stewie and si Goldilocks.
Oh.
Still be ma-immune po na sila.
Baling grabe ha. As Anne here has the Sky Piercer na he will now play aggressively as the Talon Strike won't connect. Oh, usan lang kasak para magamit sa sayang crossbow of Tang but Flicker there was proc here and look at Larry save here. Kauban sa HP na. Baling grabe ha.
More bukag malos ni Kirik kasi panglabay og stars and right now we can see a blazing duet defensively pabak.
Defensively pa back ba. As look at Anne here, si Lucelle lang sa with a Deadly Catch and by the strike as Blurry just got a kill. Medyo naipitin na po sila diri. And look at sa atong bottom lane. They're just clearing this one. Wants to go for a Stewie ba? Or sudlo na nila. So we'll see with the Queens. Title strike sa bush lang. Nakita na po dito sa atong payong ni Mamushi. As Stewie will use that kind of chaos save blurry. It's a 1v1 situation, but still, Stewie still has got this crossbow of down. At the title strike gusto na ko nila, but still, Tsunami Slam! Oy, na po dito yung overtime bali. And honey, will go down. As honey, will go down as in. An eye for an eye. A tooth for a tooth.
Wala bitaw nakabot ang time journey dito ni Lucel. Wala niya na-save dito.
Oh, look at that! Out of here! Shadow kill! And Dogs securing a kill!
But right now, no, the other heroes trying to convert an objective, and they're successfully destroyed our middle turret. Right now, as we spawn our turtle, no, atong Kalea just trying to give vision sa ato yung kauban, pero dili na sila mo contest.
Grabe yan now. Our turtle here was secured easily by Goldilocks. As Stewie here wants to get the stock of the Queen here. It just used the tidal strike. Look at the Slalom Blast na gamit sa atong Hakimi. But look at them just securing the kinds of items. And medyo init-init na init po. Japon na ito mga Golden Eagles. Even though delay sila mga 2.4k gold lead.
Kaya bitong ang kono si Kalea, si Queen. Wala pa kayo na maximize ang ilang pick-off potential. No? So, I think, kanang they will do discarded. So
look at that inyang overturn. That's a kill na po ni Mamushi securing those kind of burst ni Queen. And because of that, nakapit na inspire nato ni Stewie. And now, pila naman naka-gold lead here. Is it a 2k na Japon and make it 3k hapit na. As Stewie here wants to go in now. And napay Shadow and Goldilocks with a Shadow kill and crossbow of Tong.
Grabe kayo ang performance na ginapakita here ni Stewie, no, kabisa sa atong early stages, no, siya ang permi ginagank sa ato ang CBA pero dili successful nga na shutdown siya.
Successfully shutted down na sila as our mighty teachers kay medyo labaw na. And now look at those items with our Sarlium, no, not Sarlium but this flask bitaw. Aqua flask.
Yeah, Aqua Flask. Knowing nga kanit itong si Digino kay ma-activate man po ning passive sa away save, but they've called the pause.
Now na tayo pause sa dire. And look at those items na medyo init na init ang dula nato ani as our mga classmates or fans diri sa ato mga players is naga-cheer lang nila. And look at those items sa atong Hayabusa. That's a massive 5.6k. Na siya duha ka items. Who's that? That's Goldilocks. Grabe daw ang item. Ang gisundan po siya ni Stewie is 5.1 na siya is corrosive sight and also this Demon Hunter sword, but still our Bane here has this Hunter Strike also and Sky Piercer.
Yes, Sky Piercer. So, mabintayan na to sa build ni Hayabusa. Nipalit siya og early og kuan Rose Gold, knowing manggod nga danger manggod ni ang sa existence ni Kalea.
Bali na po nilang grabiha diri as now they are just playing a disciplinary way. In 20 seconds mo enter na si Madara sa ato ang Land of Dawn.
Makita na to how annoying pud ning mga first kill bitaw ni Digino as mas nakap manggod niya iyang first kill and makahatag po ni Og Vision.
Oh, having some kind of vision as 5 seconds na lang para mabuhay ang atong turtle. But look at that, Shazami here kay sana lang siya. Ang Tsunami Slam is also 1v3 situation. Kay Shazami going in that kind of skirmish. But still, that's a very big nga white time. But critical was also yun. That's a trade na po. Nabigayan nila si Sorsogon. As now, our mga Golden Eagles are just pushing sa atong bottom lane. While our mighty teacher here is just doing their thing and securing Madara on their side.
Dili mo sugot nga walay trade makuha ang Zeta dito as CBA gank sa bottom side, di gank po sila balos sa top side, and knowing nga mas duol sila sa ato ang Lord Pit, they have the advantage to get that objective which is si Madara.
Nakuha ni Goldilocks na Title Strike, gustong lantong niya si Stewie, but yung effort talaga with si Mamushi. But look at that again, ni Goldilocks with a kill! Although it's a deadly catch, but still, that's a hit and run, Goldilocks.
Salamat sa Rose Gold, naka-survive si Goldilocks. That's why nipalit bito siya early nga kuan, no? Early nga Rose Gold, knowing nga daga magong sisipod here sa ato ang CBA.
Grabe lang magkainit kaayo ang pagkita din Goldilocks. Having those kind of assassination that happen in the blink of an eye. Bali siyang ka-fast hands. So let's see if sakto mag-reflexes ang ato mga Golden Eagles dire para sa mga atake sa ato mga mighty teachers.
Yeah, to ang Madara is trying to spawn ay March here sa ato ang top side and our players from CBA is defending this Madara.
Look at that. Madara is marching towards the top lane. We'll see if our Golden Eagles can successfully defend their base as they will good. And now wala tayong mga proc of shield diri sa ato mga turrets. And still sa ato ang bottom lane, we have Shazumi here. He's just getting his turret na sa ilalom. And now Stewie wants to get her stock lamang, pero Shadow Pass yun sa nasa dito mo ipaglatag na nila. And now what if Raga Armor si Sorso gone, and now they will just go back with no casualties.
No casualties from there. Successful to get two.
Oh, look at that! Crossbow ultime, Nilaban! It's a 1v4 situation! And he got a double kill! And also shot na po siya dito ni Honey, but also that shadow kill will get someone's HP, but he will just successfully go back.
Grabe kayong ginapakita ni Stewie here with the bisag lima sila kabukato ni Sulod. Si
Oh!
knowing nga na siya inspired.
Grabe! Because of that revitalized, nabuhay pa si Mamushi.
Mamushik ka na mo flash of Oasis mo gunis Lucel. That's why naka-survive si Mamushi dito.
We'll see if unsaan ni sa ato mga Golden Eagles to strike back sa ato mga educators.
So 40 seconds pa para muswatong Lord no. And ato ang players here from the seated just trying to freeze na ato ang lanes here para ma-choke sila sa ilahang gold.
Oh, grabihan na nila. Noah's look
Right
at
now,
Queen.
here's-
Nagamit ang shadow kill.
Flicker out.
But Flicker pa save!
Flicker out dito. Ang Flicker mo na pa-save sa HP ni Queen Borg. Wala ni Proc Vita. Wala mo go Sky Piercer po si Hayabusa to secure a kill. And now Shazam secured his Radiant Armor and we're expecting mas matank niya ang damages ni
And
Blurry.
look at those item check. As look at the
There's
talent check.
Stewie.
Nakuha na po si Stewie there. And look at them. Goldilocks is just invading the blue buff. But still, because of Queen's Tidal Strike and Tsunami Slam, nakuha si Shazumi.
Nasibihan ng ana nakagpatabang nga be. Abil idari.
Dahil ali dire sabak sa akong kontrabe, and now as Madara just entered the land of Dawn, and Sorsogon is just throwing those flamethrowers, and also Shazumi also with that yo-yo blade. So we'll see if how will Lucel goes in, but knowing the fact that limited rehang mana dire, she can poke these stars successfully now, but Sorsogon is just
Sorsogon.
getting low with no Firaga armor, and then natin nato mamotion dire,
Si
ang Queen, mabigyan na ba ang taas na talasak sa wala, look at the jury na to, and Honey, gusto natin sila ni Honey, as Stewie saves the game, and because of that, Blurry will just get them. Our Lord here is a battle of retribution between Honey and Goldilocks, but Goldilocks, nakuha na mo sila, ginuparan na, as Sorsogon will go down also, and that was a unstoppable na po dito nakita sa ato ang Bay, also that's killing spree, again po din Goldilocks, and that was a massacre incoming from our mighty teachers.
Massacre pero nakuha po nila ang ato ang Madara dito. Kato bitaw sa Clash bitaw kanina no. Pero right now here's the sa ato Clash. Shadow kill connected.
Shadow kill! Nice execution, Goldilocks.
As you notice ato ang Clash bitaw no medyo nakabawi ato ang CBD dito. Knowing manggod nagtapok atong players coming sa ato ang seated and ang skills, ang innate skills sa ating CBA puro manggod AOE pero it's just that na nalikot sila ni Stewie and naguba ang ilang positioning dito.
Grabe kayo. Muraga pa quiz rato ang ako bitaw mga mighty teachers din. Kinsay dili kakuwag sakto kay ilang paktulan.
And right now, no, very squishy pa ato ang Madara knowing a 14-minute game mark pa. And I think ato ang players here for atong seated is wala sila nakuha o another objective knowing nga nangamatay manggod sila. So for now, they're just choking off ang mga jungle sa atong players here sa ato ang CBA.
Bali, grabe ato nga mighty teachers diri. Muraga hatagod sila sakto nga lesson sa ato ang Golden Eagles nila, magnana sila. Oy, di ba mo kakaton? Di mo kasabay na mo when it comes of clashes, but we'll see if saan pag quickly strike sa ato mga Golden Eagles ang ato mga mighty teachers. Maybe mapek na nila og rekta with using that endeavor nga mga skills.
And no, as you can see,
Now having those kind of flamethrowers or Sorsogon, I think musuko na Japon sila even though more delay na bitaw sila. But still, they're just playing aggressively as Queen here. Nagamit pa si Ani. And look at Sewe. Ang Queen will just go back. Double the title strike with the Time's Journey again. And having that, Sorsogon also making the double kill. Oh my God. Ni Ana Stewie, class dismiss, pamauli na mo.
Stewie just showing how great.
Wala na.
How great
Soda na nila.
Kaisog siya.
Alam mo, where will you go? As our Golden Eagles will defend their base as Nanabang Crossbow Tang is still available. But now, I think di na nagkakuha si Madara is because papauliw na lagi nila.
Now, Gordon has secured his immortality, no? Gabi kay Gordon, believe ko na kay 4-0. Bisag na ay kaleya sa atong kalaban.
Baling grabe sa itong mighty
Disiplina.
teachers, no? Labag ka-aggressive, especially still here, nakita ka bitaw sa atong backlines. Yang penetrate si Ani dire, even though nakita siya duha ka kauban sa likod. And because of that, Stewie here is the star player sa atong adula. Shizumi is just poking those Ayoyos out, and wala ra.
And noticingly, no, nakita ta nga nag-item si Blurry Og.
Oh!
Winter Cruncher.
Oh!
Ganyan overturn.
Kaya mo tayo gamit na sa dito, bala sa team ako na po tayo, no, gamit na tao tong Chimes turn eh. But still, wala na himo nga, any casualty nga balo sa ato ang mga Golden Eagles.
With that successful kill kay Queen, no, napaback lang sila dito and there gigamit na po ng moment nilang sa seated nga kuwaon si Madara.
Oh my God. Ginahinayag tangtang og pako ang ato mga teachers diri ang mga Golden Eagles, especially this two-way. Ilay pakita og kung
Shadow
saon
kill.
paglupad.
And right now, no, si Madara nag-explore here sa itong middle side and our players charge the flow, put ang creep sa ato ang top side.
As a Madara here just being the vanguard para sa ato ang mga kauban diri sa ato mga IT teachers, but now our mighty teachers won't just commit to any casualties at the middle lane, but still they want to destroy the turret sa ato nga top lane. And Lucas over here just throwing out his first kill, and now Queen with the title strike is ready, but still natagamit diri og reverse time.
Dili sila successful nga kuhaon ang pair here sa atong middle side. Wala lang uban ng bito si Madara here sa ato ang pag-spawn sa atong tunga kay ang creeps pod nato dito is not enough.
And look at those items, medyo hapit na ma-item lock ang atong 1-1. Isa na lang kulang, and maybe it's a critical build ba na siya? Oh, dakawad. Oy, ang atong 1-1 sa taas. Gabatabang. Wasif, unsa na niya? Clutch place. Clutch place by Stewie. Nagamit na sa Marcelo. Was it the cash? And now, because of the one that nakuha na Ani here. Oh, one na sila 1-1. Usa na lang kulang. Usahan na lang ka-stack dyan, but luckily, Queen here, igato sila og Tsunami Slam.
Though na-dodge bitaw ni Stewie tong first katusisi ni Kuano, ni Queen. Pero napa-second mag-utsa dito dahil wala na siya murag purify para sa Tsunami Slam itself and there napatay siya. And right now, no, we're here seeing a skirmish na to ang bottom river pero wala ta nakitag another clash.
Baling gabi ang mga mighty teachers dili pa nabalik na po mismo ang momentum sa ato mga Golden Eagles as now.
Oh! Sakito!
Oh my God! What just happened? And that's a shutdown by Ani as our Lord here wears in a 1 minute. Karayota na ipatay dito eh. And also, wala siya immortality.
As Honey Bito releases first and second niya puno po diyang passive. Noon natagaan Bito si Goldilocks and dili enough ang Rose Gold to end immortality to save his
They are being disseminated one by one as Blurry and Honey will get the life of our kauban. As Toby here, siya na sa 1v1 sila ni Sorsogon. As Toby might end this game again. Ang Tower Lock ba? Kaya ba nila? Astel, wala ra. Gusto na ko si Sorsogon, but now look at Honey with the heavy crossbow fist. Stowy, where will you go? Heavy crossbow. Oh!
Na-shy kuan, win of nature ato and there successfully napatay si Honey.
And look that chase. Gusto nila lanton si Ani. And because of that, Stewie denied the snowball sa ato nga mga Golden Falcons.
And now nispo na ato ang evolved na Badara. Knowing nga pag level 18 na we will enhance ang iyang adaptive attack.
Oh my God. So we on pasikat na sa dire. Knowing ang pagkabit cross mo tawag lupa na so good kay gamit sa but luckily nabali ni Blurry. Astel is the two. There was situation. At cancel go. Oy! Nice journey. No, na-cancel na nila to. But Lucel will also go down. But ako na mo siya blind yan. As well, you look at that. Our mighty teachers is just getting something na dire. And now, nakuha na ba ni Blurry ang ato ang Atore. Now, they're just defended it well. As our mighty teachers will secure this Lord. Ano po yung po dire? Ang ato ang Goldilocks. But still, na-proc na ba ito yung mortality? Golden Gosh, hindi na makuha nila.
Wala nakaabot si Andy to try steal alert do as ni-trip up siya glipot sa ato ang top side. Pero si Queen dito ni-action siya sulod and tungod kay wala pa po siya yung kauban na punish lang po siya.
Grabe no, murag bali-bali ang situation na ani dire. Ang walking ang walking calamity bitaw dire. I think this is two-way. Knowing her presence alone kay makapaguba na sa position sa ato ang mga Golden Eagles.
Knowing a marksman mo si Stewie no capability to segue manggod. Muna ka to sa clash bitaw kanina kay na kon bitaw kanang naguba ang ilang formation and as dili sila papaulion sa ato ang seated kanina.
Baling grapiha de ano as Queen here wants to go back na lang as Madara here is marching towards the
And
middle
right
lane.
now-
We'll see if our Golden Eagles can get some kills or will our mighty teachers give them a lesson. So unsa ko kanila pag-execute. Let's look at that.
Right now no more successfully defended lang sa atong team CBA ang Madara dito.
Oh.
Pero sa ayaw!
Hasta cancel likod. Igamit na nila paggamit sa Tata Jump Sir. But look at that again. Yan yung overturn. And look at again the shadow kill. Kasi tayo making a double kill. As our mighty teachers will secure na ba? Ano? Na-kill ba? It was Levian. But we'll see. Story just got the kill sa atong Atore.
Dito bitaw kita sa atong clash dito nga. Na-punish bitaw si Kwan dito, na-punish si Stewie and dito Queen decided to flicker using his Tsunami Slam pero nakalimot siya nga napay fleeting time si Diggy dito.
And yes, the mighty teacher just handled a master lesson sa atuwa mga Golden Eagles, a master class in our game number 1. Ano sa ang lesson? Lesson number 1? Don't mess with the faculty. Ana
Don't
sila.
mess with the faculty DI kay seated manggod gikan. And
As you can see with a 27 nga hot match, it's scorching bitaw ang ilang adula diha. As you can see, who will be our match MVP na? Will it be Stewie, Shazami, Lucel, Goldilocks, or Mamushi? Baling grabe ano? So who do you think nila based on your KDA? Ano it is? Lucel! Having Lucel's times journey. Yes. What I like the most ka Lucel without itong MVP niya is because of her.
Second pa na shutdown na pud ang ato ang shortcut.
And also I think there won't be any draft changes coming from our mighty teachers today, especially the banning phase. Kaysa ilang giban kaniya, maybe that was the answer para sa ilang mga victorious outcome.
Sa tuwang bitong place bitaw no ganang ko makita debut pick nga si Louie kay so, day 3 na ta wala pa ta kita og Louie nga pick.
Oh,
Even if meta siya nga mage.
yes. Oh, I wonder bitaw man ang ginaban nila ni Benedetta diri, is there a top player gikan sa ato mga Golden Eagles ba? Oo. Namatay ano diri murag. Oh, gamit sila Lucas and Ochodas Mathilda. Dito kita diri mga Trinity nga Trinity ni pick.
Yeah,
Pang counter
Trinity
bitaw
pick.
if kisay makuha sa Lucas, sagutan daw nag Valentina and Kalea. If na yung Kalea, Valentina Lucas jabo nang sagutan na. So we'll see kung saan na nila paggamit.
So ang seated no wala nila kiluha ang Kalea knowing as it's still open and other meta picks no ang glue still open. Walay ni kuha aning glue no. Ato ang game kanina pa open pero ang glue walay ni kuha.
And look at Annie here using the Lucas. Also, Hani na po siya Edith and Blurry with that kind of high-loss. I think magluisod siguro chase ang ato ang mga Golden Eagles dire because of this Mathilda's Guiding Wind.
Yes, so more gikuha po nila dani Mathilda kay kanin mo itong Lucas, it's very good
Oh.
complement sa ato ang
Mamushi again sa iyang nga Kagura. As we all know, baling kusuga siya mo Bersoy, having that yin yang overturn, the second skill, and also throwing those kind of umbrella again and consider it done.
Yes, and for the second phase sa ato ang banning, I think they will ban Mage. They will ban a Mage since wala pa yung Mage ang ato ang Team Golden Eagles. But
Oh!
ban na Kalea
Ang
instead.
Kalea di ay atong nalimtan. Nalimtan og ang Kalea. So maybe wala ra ba ni kuha sa batong Golden Eagle dire. It's because ano, na naman po yung room dire which is si Mathilda. So I wonder why.
And ato ang ano, sa composition sa atong Mighty Teachers, wala pa sila marksman, and yeah, they've banned Prudy.
Grabe. Still, Brody na po ang ginaban. It's a very safe ban para sa ato mga Golden Eagles.
I think murag per nila ginaban bitaw ning Brody, no, maybe kuha ni siya kana murag sa signature pick po ni sa ato ang Mighty Teacher ang Brody.
And they will pick CC by Shazumi. Although wala tayo glue user nila, no? I like the glue on it, especially when it comes to the side para sa ato ang mga Mighty Teachers. But Queen, ang source sugon, kailang isagot ani would be the Chang and katod ka siya ba?
Carmela.
Oh, nice pick.
Carmela.
Carmela na diha.
They will stick to Carmela ba knowing anay Mathilda atong kontra?
But still, ano di ko nalaga tot siya, the one with the most crowd control.
But no, they saved Stewie for the last note.
Hoy, nalimtan ninyo. Still, open pa ang 1-1. Open pa ang 1-1 ni Stewie ha. Unsahong ka na niya. Maybe mogamol ba siya, ano, Japon? 1-1. Although, Irithel na. But still, yung may pakita kahapon bitaw nga, Irithel ain't a problem sa iya nga 1-1.
But sila Kari knowing
Kari! The walking calamity has used Kari. Based on their jobs, regret, whose side are you on?
I like this Mathilda Exberg Japon, no, kay knowing nga nakagatod ka siya and Hylos Manggod niya naapay Lucas Asacor, no, puro mga frontliner, so they will be easily burned by first kid and the last insanity sa atong X-board.
Especially ang ato mga Golden Eagles diri murag kulang sila og mga damages, especially in those kind of early stages kay skilling kayo ang ato ang Irithel diri. Pero we'll see if usa na pag-execute. Especially here, ang ato gato siya when it comes to early stages is kusgan siya having na revitalized. Ang also revitalized atong Hylos, no? And because of that, wala mo cold altar as we will proceed sa ato ang land of Dawn in this game number 2.
Sa ato bitong game 2 na, I'm expecting more on marksman Japon na to ang playstyle here. Ato ang mga dula kanina kay kana murag ga-focus sila kung saon pag-funnel ang marksman.
Pero karon, unsa ko na nila nga knowing nga nawala na may pang funnel si Stewie diri. Kaya ba niya mo 1v1 ni Honey? Oh, natawo. Ano mga female bitaw magdulag ML. I like the way nga labas sila ka ano, ka barbaric mo dula, sumbagay kung sumbagay rekta. Labayan og skills kung kinahanglan as they are just throwing the skills na food lagi. Grabe ano. So, as Honey kay ira po ang creeps.
I wanna mention this Irithel, no, giwala na maguna yung mana cost sa iyang mga skills, that's why daga na kayo mo gamit og Irithel. Right now sa atong bottom side, no, lugi. I think medyo lugi ang Hylos.
Oh! Paano sa
Pero-
kita dito, nag-aapira na lamang. Pero murag nagamit ang spell dito ni Honey, which is the sprint. And Lucelle here just giving this some visions.
And Gordilux has his
Oh.
level 4 na.
Grabe, Goldilocks. Oh, mo invade good. Oh,
Right,
gusto ng lata
right.
dire. Oh,
Tatagaan.
no, Firaga armor, but
Pero-
still with a guiding wind.
Guiding wind. And si Sir Sugon trying to chip off pang HP pero wala pa ni connect ang iyang first skill.
Baling grabe sa atong guiding wind din. No? That's what we said earlier nga. Because of this, her teammate can easily go in and out.
Yes,
So-
and makita na to sa bottom side. No, medyo lugi ang Hylos sa atong head-to-head laning.
And now, because of that, 12 seconds na lang para mabuhi ang atong turtle. And Gordilocks wants to get her Firaga armor back so that if napahimabot sa ato mga side nga objectives, kumpleto na siya bukog para ikasukol.
Sa to mga players na maybe they want to have their level 5 food para mas
Oh.
secure nila ang turtle easily.
Oh, I like this one nga ihatag ang roam sa middle lane and the mage will go down sa atong XP lane to be level 4 na sila tanan as Lucelle wants just to give this
Queen?
ambition but Gordilac is still open but release the beast and the
There's
flash combo
Lucas!
first blood was drawn by
Society.
Ari here and now look at us again gamitan na lang mga skill at still napatay na po dito ang ato ang blurry and now
There's si
Honey.
Honey.
Honey wants to go in layo kasi kito yokan mas Gordilac we just go back and Ani basad kay sayang namatay ka dito although nakakuha mag first blood but still that's a good thing as Stewie trabaho lang.
Trabaho lang just trying to chip off this gold bar sa ato ang turret. And sa to ang turtle na wala pa siya po yung nakakuha. And right now, murag makita na po another skirmishes here.
Another scrimmage ang nahitabo as our turtle here is just slowly getting in our both
Hylos,
mighty teachers
Blurry.
and Golden Eagles but
AOG! Pero not
nalapit sa
connected.
wala oh the
Glorious
flash
Blast.
combo tira ba Circle
Source
Eagle
Gold.
again gusto na kuha na and we'll see and there will go down as well as our turtle will be secured by Goldilocks and now make it a triple kill.
Makita na to ang strength sa usa ka man dito sa usa Clash knowing ang ihambay taong kay the win makahatag og shield not
Oh,
only
yes.
to himself but also sa iyang team.
Maling grabe ano ang gihimo dito ni Goldilocks just spamming those flamethrowers out until malo na sila and the perfect time comes na yan gamit yung last insanity as they will go for an invade sa atong blue team.
And successfully nakuha dito ni Goldilocks ang ato ang blue buff.
Baling grabe sao na nila as we have a gold lead of 1.6k in favor of our mighty teachers again.
Yung mighty teachers and Queen nakuha niya ang Lethal Wanderer there. Yan. Ato ang mga players bitaw no kay kuan mag prove bitaw nila na yung mga comfort picks ang ilang mga heroes here. Knowing nga dili sila mahadlok nga ipakita ang masters ng heroes and right now si Stewie
Oh!
take a free hit
Oh!
kay Queen.
Well, you look at that. Monster kill was secured na po dito ni atong Goldilocks and that's a 6-0-1 nga KDA.
Sumurag na rin Magic Blade dito si Stewie no and na-proc dito. Naka-survive lang po siya and
Oh!
here si
Look at
Lucas.
Nice
Hindi
play
lang
kay
overtime.
Delisay but looking over 10 na po burst. 10 na po si Harry as also adding
Retribution.
was just get the trade up Mushi here. Oh! Napatay ka sa Torre. Nice execution there Mamushi. As Goldilocks responds to that kind of team pass medyo di na kayo ka-respond si Annie.
Very annoying good ang kuano ang existence ni Lucelle sa atong clash here sa atong top side. Pero wal dito nga natagaan ng food ni Ann ang existence ni Stewie dito knowing nga ni Sulot si Stewie just to secure a kill kay Honey. And right now so 5 seconds sa atong turtle no and atong player just trying to get their position to take advantage sa pagkuha sa atong turtle in here sa atong bottom side. Si CC try siya og invade and nagpatawang siya dito. Yeah, I think we will have an off-cam kill kay Goldilocks dito. Kay Shazume.
What kind of Shazame as our 6-8 ang atuwa mga KDA and now 5 minutes pa as 100 seconds na lang para mabuhay ang ato ang turtle. I think yes, turtle pa na siya. Or yeah, turtle pa. And now, they're just getting their items and Thunderbelt here was secured na ni Queen. So she's now confident nga mahapak-hapak but still, I think she's very squishy pa especially in this carrying nga nakakuha na siya sa corrosion side. And also na po sa atong X-Borg na War Axe. And because of this War Axe bitaw, X-Borg can increase his movement speed gradually and also having this kind of pure damage but still that won't be enough para mapasave the time pero go back lang and AJJ sa wala and Ani with a counter attack with a flash combo revitalize here by Queen. Oh, nice save dito sa ato ang mga teammates especially ni Lucelle. Oh, Stewie! Iwa pa rin na humata mga scrimmage diri as Lucelle will go back safely. Gabi! Oh! Have it!
Knowing nga naka first build bit og dominance ay si Lucelle so she has the enough defensive item physically and that's why wala ra po siya napatay ni Honey dito.
We can hear the crowds chanting here nga support sa ato ang mga seated at mighty teachers dira. Ilago pa paulion na si Lucelle. Kay pasibon la they won't do any gamble diri especially this is a very crucial match. If kasi Madogane can
Sorsogon.
book themselves to the finals na alone at yun ang overturn won't connect, but still, third was destroyed.
Noticingly, no, si Sorsogon, which is si Chango, is naka-weakness finder. So, I wonder if she will go a murag pakanay nga path or katong magsalig lang pod sa skills. Right now, 5 seconds sa ato ang turtle objective.
Now, 2 seconds na lang. I think nahimuon na rin nila dire og Lord, but now I'm wrong there. That look at those items. Having those items, I think our mighty teachers will play aggressively, knowing the AOG can
AOG
connect
not
to anyone.
connected, Glorious
But
Man,
this one
revitalize.
the match combo. Well, you look at that Ari with the release, the beast bomb. Now look at that.
Shazume
Oh,
with the
and that's a
free
godlike. Astel making a double kill. And the turtle here was secured by Ari. But Shazumi here, we're just poking out them. And Honey with the heavy cross upang back na lang.
Napaback lang sila dito and there na-secure lang po nila ang turtle dito.
Ayaw,
Ito ang
ayaw do ko kamatay. Just play safe na kana natay mga viewers nga ga-support or nangisog, I don't know. As Stewie here will just demolish this bottom lane turret.
And at now na nabuo na po ng Steve ang DHS. So we're expecting mas dali na niya ma-chip off ang HP
Oh.
ng Tanky Heroes.
Dominance ice na kay secure na po dito ni Shazumi. So I think he's very confident enough para musulo diri, especially in this kind of Honey.
And right now, no more kompleto po din ang turrets here sa ato ang seated.
Oh, grabe. Grabe gumahatag lesson na to ang akon diri ha. Mga mighty teachers nga faculty as Honey will just go successfully back. Ay nagamit na po dito atong Yingyan overturn.
With the
Oh,
stop of the
oh,
nakatakas na si Honey, but right now,
Stewie with speedy light wheel.
AOG.
Oy! Medyo na corner Bastel!
Stewie.
Nasa ni OG, medyo na ka dito Bastel. Nabigyan na po ka dito sa ato ang Sorsogon from our kabilang island. Gusto lang sudlo na tanan as Honey having those sweet heavy crossbow is that balasahan na dyan nila ang katol-katulan niya.
to be, listen bito kay Madakpan bito gatod ka channel kay once ni connect ang AOG no, napa siya taunt sa iyahang second skill.
I like how advanced dito ha si Queen. Knowing the fact ka naman di ay tay dire Mathilda, yung advance ay hanga AOG. As Blurry here will just go back na.
And 15 seconds para mo-spawn si Madara.
Now we have 12 seconds for Madara to get in the land of Dawn as Lucelle wants to give them some vision. And now look at them, they're just preparing na para sa tuwang Lord fight.
Lord fight. So first, Madara
Oh!
and natakpan siya ni Queen.
Oh!
Si Lucelle.
Having those kind of flame tower
Sunog-sunog!
stuff is very low. But AOG ko rin ito sa gamit itong Sharkang Eagle Bastilla. Patay na po ito ang Lucas ito. But Ani is just going for a rampage. Gusto rin ang balusan dito si Lucelle. But look at Ani here. But just throwing those tantrums out. And Ani with no beast. But look at Stowie. Stowie wants to go with the backlines. A source to go here. We just go back. But Blairy just chasing them down. As our Golden Eagles have the upper hand. I don't know what's happened, guys.
Pero wala
But
pa
look at,
naman.
uy!
Shazume.
Oh my God! Habang ito, let's zoom in and out. As Lucelle's HP is deteriorating. I know, gisugod na po dyan sa ato mga mighty teachers. But still, look at that.
Kani bito si Goldilocks no, napapalakan matatag lang siya kada clashes knowing na siya immortality with a KD of 902. Legendary naman din si Goldilocks.
Look at Stewie there, just securing some objectives. But Sorsogon wants to defend. Mais ang utok dito ni Stewie. Very very intelligent when it comes to when it comes to our map awareness na po siya. May siya mula sa mapa and may siya mo read sa control. May siya mo read sa ato ang adulad. But look at Queen here, just taunting them out. Tulong na sila kabuok. But Stewie just push it to top lane. But lots of sanity gamit sa dito. AOG can't connect to anybody but third again was destroyed. But look at that. They have a 4v5 situation with the Glorious Patico. But look
Pero
at
nabilis
that.
sa likod si
Queen
Goldilocks.
at Goldilocks will just survive. And just still Ari so the kill spree is going for the rampage ba. But he won't go for a kill. Kalisangit ang iyang flash combo. And look at that. Stewie is securing the turrets.
Stewie doing his job, just pushing our side turrets, and they're not nabiyaan ang mga teammates sa mga Sibeno kay they choose to go home to defend that top side.
Oh, and this Madara will off-cam kill. It's a 2v1 situation, but still we did a trade there and killed Sorsogon.
wala mong kuikuan po, murag wala guro ultimate si Stewie dito. That's why dili siya prepared to have a 1v1 kay Honey dito.
Yes, and because of that, nakuha na po sa ato ang mga mighty teachers si Madara sa ilahang side. Grabe
Yeah.
kayo sa mga ilang Goldilocks to. And I thought nga madaw gano'n dito ato ang mga Cholas Golden Eagles sa clash kay 4v5 ang situation, but still Stewie's presence sa atong top with added pressure on them, so that's why medyo hesitant sila siguro mo all in.
And right now, no, nag-spawn na ito ang Mother here and marching
Oo.
as igdalamag na siya sa top side.
We have a gold lead of 4K in favor of our mighty teachers na dire. Sa middle lane, nagamit ang ito Meteor Shower.
Sunog.
As Goldilocks is just doing some flamethrowers on them. And look at those
Kain
circling eagle, nagamit ang dire, but look at Larry, siya na lang sa, although, hili ko ring daob din si Goldilocks, no? Pero yan, dabdaban ng ato ang Leo and also this beast sa ato ang Annie. But now, look at that, release the beast, the Tails Beast Bomb. Kaya gamit in this early stages, but Honey can successfully defend her turret. But there will be a clash rate sa ato ang bottom lane.
Yeah, bottom lane. And more dili po siya successful to have a turret down sa here sa bottom side. Pero nakuha silang turret sa ato top and mid.
Asa nakapadulong dito as our mighty teachers kay gahimo na og soccer field sa ato nga dula, isa na lang.
Knowing nga na ang advantage, clearly ato ang seated now. Murag, it will take their advantage here. And murag ilan ang gina-freeze ang lanes dire.
Grabe ato nga mighty teachers dire. Showing them what are the skills para makapadaog sa usa ka dula.
Yes,
So now
and
look
there's
at those
a
kind of
top side.
scrims dire. As
Goldilocks.
Goldilocks kay naipit na and having Shazumi to save them by their presence only.
And here's ato ang blue buff, no? Just trying to contest doing narapoy ka-open.
Oh!
Si Lucel.
Oh!
Here.
Oh!
Is it
Counter
Vincent
attack
at
gamit
AOG?
ang atong urgent and solo sa circling eagle.
Nakatulog.
But look at the guiding wind. But
Sunod-sunod.
Honey is having some tantrums. Gusto sudlon. And now nakabawi na po dito ang ato ang Honey. And look at that. That's a kill. And what just happened, guys?
Carry
But
sa
Stowey! Stowey! Again! Bagyo Stowey! The walking calamity! Isa na lang! Mas 21 win! But still! What just happened? Naigoneo! Nasayop siya! Nahit niya!
Knowing bitaw ang hero ni
Oh my
Hanido,
God!
ang Irithel, it gives splash damage, meaning AoE ang basic attacks. That's why dali lang niya na clear ang creeps.
Kaya, habit dito ang atong walking calamity. Yan tang bukon ang tore. But, nasayop siya dito ang pindot. Yan nakapak si Queen. And because of that, our Golden Eagles still have a chance to defend their base.
And now nag-spawn na ito ang second Madara. Knowing makapas na po si Stewie na makakontest na po sila in terms of these objectives.
Ano, look at the 1 point something na lang ang labaw mga gold lead. And, it's a matter of skill set na lang. Mas low lord ba nga ito ang mga mighty teachers didn't knowing that they have the upper hand when it comes to the creep pushing. So we'll see if how will they handle it.
Advantage
Oh.
magod ang seated diri kay
Oh.
Kuan magod wala na base turrets ang ato ang
Oh!
not
AOG pasulota
connected.
nila gano'n na kailangan mo. Ayun yan, over to the circle eagle. And that was a legendary si Last Insanity! Well, when you go, Honey,
There's
Honey
Lucel.
versus Sazumi, as Chloe will go down. And now, our mighty teachers is having their
Versus
lesson.
Stewie naman sa baba.
As Stewie is doing the thing of the walking calamity. But, wala'y creeps. Wala tayo grips! Nasa ito nga, wala kay-clear. And now, again,
So,
kaya
siguro
ba i-clear?
successfully defended
But
that.
what a miscommunication na lang. Wala na clear ato nga middle lane.
And right now, no, nag-choose sila nga ato ang team seated by the teachers to get back knowing nga wala ra po yung creeps and knowing nga kulangan na ato ang players from CBA, they will take advantage just to scare this Madara.
Grabe, ang pagkita ni Stewie. Pero I think, wala ra ba nila na-clear ang middle lane ato? So that's why, look at those items na. Item lock na ato mga heroes dire. Mostly in favor sa ato ang mga mighty teachers.
And we can see, no, ato ang Chango is na siya Sky Pierce and naka-feather, so na siya more katul-katul po rin siya with his basic attack.
The itchiness if Stewie here bitaw mura kag idunggab sa kilid nga sundang gamit kusog kay mutubod ang imong life diha. As now, murag padulong na po og rose gold major si Honey diri. But you can't deny the fact na if kanay bitaw si Honey mo kasi ang whole items ay siya sakto nga position here. As look at Queen kay slowly dabdaba na
AOG?
an AOG kay nagamit na in the early stages but still look at that. Gusto nila clear. Hello again. And Stowey, the Wongay Calamity will get the life of Anne and also the Blurry. And look at that. Artoy is very vulnerable but still, sila, hero lang. Stowey will just go back and this won't end the game pa. And they successfully defended it.
CBA successfully defended it knowing ang ilang heroes man good. Puro AoE, they can easily defend the creeps basta dili lang sila easily successfully slain sa ato ang mighty teachers.
Bareng grabe ano bitaw sa iminanay bitaw ang marag situation if maka-defend ang kontra sa ilang base although lupig sila makahatag moral nila and because of that makaingon sila uy kaya pa na ako ni what if we'll play aggressively na ay do or die situation is kaya pa.
And right now, we're officially entering our late game with this 18-minute game mark. And for the next spawn sa ato Madara, this will be an Evolve 1.
Oh! Look at Blurry here, dadabad naman ayaw, but look at the flash combo. And also, thankfully, sila sa ito flash combo, nagkakita ng AOG. But still, look at Stowey, just into the backlines. And now, that's just a legendary match, Ani nila. As all, again, look at Honey, will get some KO. As our mighty teachers will now be securing our game series. And they will now book themselves in the upper finals! Class dismissed! Class dismissed! As our teachers gave them a lesson!
Seated, congratulations! You are the winners sa ato ang upper finals and I think you have now the ticket para mo ato sa ato
Yes.
finals, correct ba?
Grabe ang mga ano, class dismissed, uli na mo, lower brackets drop ang away and that's it! Pabor na sa dato ang mga mighty teachers aning game.
And another sweep na naman no, nakita nato sa ato ang live. Pero though it's a sweep, gabi po kayo ang gipakita sa ato ang CBA. Kaya nila makipagsabayan sab. And right now, no? Sa ato ang mga players, we can see here sa ato ang match details nga. Kuan po, gabi kayo ang KDA nga ginapakita ni Goldilocks sa kanyang Xberg with his Ice Queen 1 po. Makaingon ko nga mapas mo good ka with his fire skills with last insanity and first skill. Sa ato ang game po, nakita po nato nga si Stewie, nag-focus lang siya og Sigway and some objectives.
Grabe no natin bagong nickname, Bagyong Stewie. Her presence enough is the whole calamity. Grabe. So who is the MVP?
I think no, maybe ang ato ang MVP ani is from it's either from the mage or the jungle, but let's see.
And now, look at that. And it's very obvious that our MVP here would be Goldilocks. Having a KD of
Goldilocks ang MVP sa ato
1307.
ang game. So once again, congratulations, seated mighty teachers. You have the ticket para makadula sa ato ang gym later knowing ang ato ang play this afternoon for our grind finals will be set up sa ato ang gym. So ato ang viewers here sa atong Facebook page na we're inviting you to watch live sa ato ang play sa gym sa Norsu.
And now, na tayo ipakita ang kind of banner sa ato nga stage. Let's go, Mamushi, our mage god.
Mage God showing discipline and mastery sa kanyang Kagura. And shoutout po kay Stewie, no? Kay pagka second game kay Murag, bito siya change identity kay how siya ka-aggressive atong first game. Ganan siya singa kill. Pura po siya objectives pagka second game.
Yeah. And that's it. That ended ang ato ang female na makita. It's our camera here. Open for shoutouts ta.
Yeah,
May mga comments sa atong live. Gabasa rasad mi.
Pinasarap lang ala si Balasi. Dahil nabili kayo ni Kuano, dahil po kayong supporters this Mamushi. Ana siya go Mamushi from Angelica. Taro nga daw ninyo.
And ana dahil si Balasi Food. kusgan do kaya mga maestra. Oh, mayo gyud sila. Gahatag ni sila og sakto nga lesson nga daily sila kontrahon.
And yeah, once again, here's our MVP. Let's give recognition to Goldilocks with his KDA of 1307. Grabe kayo, walay deaths. As knowing nga duwa mangoy HP bar sa to export plus na pa siya immortality upat ka HP mo kailangan book on.